Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your screen is cracked and not functioning properly, it can be a significant inconvenience. This issue often arises from accidental drops or pressure on the device, leading to internal damage. If left unattended, it may worsen, potentially affecting other components and rendering your laptop unusable. To replace the screen, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a suction cup, and a replacement screen compatible with the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the suction cup to gently lift the screen away from the body of the laptop. Insert the plastic spudger into the gap between the screen and the frame to carefully unclip it. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this may damage the surrounding components. Once you have the screen detached, locate the hinges at the bottom of the screen. You will find screws securing the screen to the hinges. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, taking care to place them in a safe location. After the screws are removed, gently disconnect the display cable that connects the screen to the motherboard. This cable may be tucked in, so be gentle when pulling it free. Now you can take your replacement screen and attach it in the reverse order. Start by connecting the display cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is securely in place. Then, align the new screen with the hinges and screw it back in. Remember to apply just the right amount of force, too much could strip the screws. Once everything is firmly in place, gently press the screen back into the frame. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the screen, power on the device to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If the screen lights up and displays properly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your screen. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider using a protective case or screen protector. Being mindful when handling your device can also significantly reduce the risk of damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.